Hey guys, so today we're going to be making duct tape roses. I've been racking my brain trying to think of a good gift for Mother's Day during this quarantine that my mom's not going to have to try to disinfect or anything. And so I looked around the house and I out to try to make duct tape roses. So all we need for this are some straws or pencils. I would recommend pencils because they're sturdier, but I had straws. Duct tape, a ruler, and scissors. Here we go. Now I have yellow because it's my mom's favorite color, and then I thought this pattern was kind of neat, so I got this, and then green for the stem, which I would have liked a darker green, but that's what I have. So you want to start out just making about 2-inch squares of the duct tape. Doesn't have to be exact. And then you're gonna fold up one corner and another, leaving some at the top. That's kind of a lot for the top, but I'm gonna round mine because I like the way it looks better. Some people like them pointy, but I like the round ones. And then I'm using a straw, which probably would be better to use a pencil, but I didn't have them, so straw it is. You just wrap it up. All right, then we take another one. I already have them pre-cut so that you didn't have to wait while I cut a billion of them. I actually made 12 too. I'm not sure exactly how many you'll want. It just depends on how full you want it and everything, but I did 12. All right, I'm gonna round the top again. I'm gonna try to start where that one stopped about and do it again. Okay, and another piece of duct tape. Around the top. So I'm going to start making it a little bit more full because I want my petals to look more full. So I'm just going to kind of blow out the top part a little, which means this part gets a little wrinkly, which makes them look a little bit more real. Okay. See, it's kind of hard to see where I stopped, but I believe it's actually I'm going to go like right here. And again, just kind of wrinkle it up a little so it goes wider. Alright, then I'm just going to kind of speed this up a little bit so that you don't have to watch me do every single one, but mainly you just want to, my main thing is just trying to get the shape right, and like I said, like it when it's kind of wrinkled out a little bit and has some dimension. Ends up looking better at the end. So I will go ahead and do some of these and speed it up. All right, so I think that is pretty full. I think I'm happy with the way this one looks for the most part. Might have to tweak some things at the end. Google what a rose is supposed to look like because I don't even know. All right, so now we are going to work on the stem. And I pre-cut this, which is about the length of the straw. And actually cut the duct tape in half so it was thinner because I didn't need it to be too thick. We're just gonna put that on here, like so, and wrap it around. Like that. Top doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna put little leaves up there. Actually, the whole thing is fine. It's gonna cut off the end. That's gonna go into the foam in the vase anyway, so it doesn't matter. Now for the top part, I'm gonna do the same thing as I did for the petals. I'm gonna cut all 2-inch sections. This is my precise measuring. There we go. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing. Just pull them up, that, and I just want to shape it a little bit, not as round as before, but so it looks more like a leaf. And we're gonna put that. Let's see. I think right here would be a good spot. I'm just gonna wrap it around so it kind of looks more realistic. I like mine a little bit more crunchy. So it looks more like a real leaf there. We're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Probably could have made these a little bit smaller, but oh well. And then we're gonna take it right here and do the same thing. And I just kind of pull it out a little bit. Apparently my camera's gonna die. I just pull this out a little bit. So see, it just kind of looks more like a flower in there. So that is one. And now I'm going to make a whole bunch more and put them together in a vase and work on that. So here we go. I decided I also wanted to try to make leaves to make it a little more realistic. So I'm gonna cut off maybe 4 inches or so of the green and fold it almost to the top, but we're gonna leave a little bit of room to stick it on. Then I'm just gonna cut out the leaf pattern. Well, I should have drawn it on there, but for now I'm just gonna wing it. Right? And then a little sticky part at the bottom. Just stick it on there. Or actually lower, I guess. I don't know, you can see how it'll fit in your vase, but do that. And then one on the other side. There's like salt everywhere because I already had this in my vase, but I need my finger back. Well, I am apparently terrible at everything. Okay. Let's look more realistic because no leaf is perfect anyway. And I'll stick this one right there. I think that'll look better when it's in the vase. We'll see. You guys can be the judge. All right. That's all for that part. So I couldn't think of anything to use for the vase filler because I don't have anything and can't order anything right now. So I found some sand and I'm gonna attempt to color it to make it a little bit more pretty with food coloring. All right, we're just gonna do like half. So I wasn't happy with the color of that because it was brown sand. So now I'm gonna try doing a little bit with salt and coloring it, but I know I don't have enough salt, so we'll see. All right, put in food coloring.
I think we're good with this lavenderish color
Yeah.
right now. Well,
I just don't know if it'll be enough to fill my vase, so I might have to mix this with the sand.
Dirt sand.
So if you are buying sand to do this, if it's like post-quarantine, I would buy white sand because then it would turn out more like this. The brown sand did not take well to the food coloring, but
So
gotta work with what we got during these times.
You can do whatever color you want, actually.
Yeah.
But if it's for Mother's Day like ours, maybe purple or pink would be the best for that.
My mom's favorite color is yellow and purple, so that's why I got the yellow duct tape for the, look at that. All that time telling you to be careful and I just messed up. And purple for this part. All right, so we'll keep mixing and we will show you the finished product. I ended up going with all the salt, the lavender colored salt we made because it looked the best. Add a little note for Mother's Day, put some twine around the top, and there it is. Hopefully you guys had fun if you made these. Hopefully your moms or teachers or whoever you decide to make them for will love them because I think they turned out cool. It's always good to do handmade gifts. It makes people feel really special, especially during times like this. So thanks for watching and stay safe.